here at the viewing platform at St. John's Quarry in Jersey on a typical summer day in Jersey, where the fogs just come in, so the visibility is sort of not ideal. But that's actually quite good, because we can actually make a good point here, which this video is all about. As we buy companies, as we look for companies, we look for things that we can improve so that the offering to the customers and the business in general ends up being better. And one of the things we're going to focus on is the ready-mix concrete plant, which is at the bottom of the quarry. And Mark here, who's a technical manager for the business, will tell us a bit about why it's a problem to have a ready-mix plant at the bottom of a quarry, especially in this kind of weather.
Well, clearly you can see, Max, what you just said there, where the plant is currently positioned. It's very difficult, and it actually makes sometimes the constraints of delivery for ready-mix vehicles and for our collect customers to come in, drive down the hill, collect at the plant. They're driving through a busy working area at the moment where it's positioned at. So where it is, we can't supply certain mixes, certain concrete designs, because obviously coming up the big hill, it makes it difficult for the trucks to produce what we would consider to be a better consistency concrete. And when the plant gets moved, in my opinion, to the top of the plant, it means we can open up a lot more products that we can offer the customer, or we get our collect customers will have more confidence coming into our environment, because collect customers at the moment come in, they're entering sometimes not been in a quarry before in our environment. So ultimately, what will it being in the position it is, it'll almost be like they're coming into what they will consider to be a normal working and building
because at the moment they drive in through obviously the access road here, and then they go all the way around down the main access ramp there.
Yeah, exactly. And have to drive underneath obviously our processing plant, which can be a bit confusing at times for people, particularly those who don't come in for the first time. So with the plant moving from where it is now to the position that it's planned to be in, it will give, I think, the collect customer a better way of getting their product from us.
Perfect. Now that project itself is something that's been on the cards for a while now.
Yeah.
And we've now put all the plans and all the orders in to get the plant going.
Yeah.
When do you think we're going to be in a position to have something in terms of to tell shareholders about the new plant?
Well, by end of Q4 is where I really would like to, where we, I think as a company, would like to see the actual plant starting to make progress and be up and running. I'd like, from a technical perspective, to be able to offer concrete probably by definitely in Q1 next year. I mean, probably earlier the better, really, because I mean, she is a tired old girl. She does need to go to bed now, and it's a really old tired plant. We're only running that plant really on I would say the professionalism of the fitting staff and the staff we've got currently now, which has kept that plant going. But it's time to put it to sleep now, and let's get ourselves up and going and getting a new modern plant.
So a real testimony that plant at that age is still doing what it does.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, and we're still producing really good quality material from the plant as well. So the testimony is in the way that we've looked after it and maintained it. But it is time now to look to the future and move on and look to a plant which can offer us and give us more capability to what we can provide to the customers.
So we will come back here when the weather's better in the middle of December to have a look at the new plant.